The last one where we revealed our answer to be 9. So for today's puzzle, we're looking at a winter sports puzzle. So first, if you got this puzzle right, congratulations. You are smarter than most people watching right now. But if you didn't, don't worry, because this puzzle tricks even high IQ viewers. For me, it took me like almost 30 minutes to be able to crack this. So stay till the end, because one tiny detail can change everything. Okay, earlier on, I had posted this image. I had put it up for a live stream, and we had over 500 people connected, but we found out that many could not get the answer, could not solve it easily. So I had asked you to solve for the final equation. So now I'm here to do a final review and explain some of the contents of this video. Thousands of answers came in, some confident, some were confused, and some completely wrong. But we reveal the answer now. Let's break it down step by step and see where most people slipped. Okay, let's start with the first line. We see three identical snowboarders, and together they equal what? 36. Very good. So that means each snowboarder must be what? 12. And how did we get 12? Simply by dividing 36 by the three snowboarders. That gives us 12. I believe this is simple so far, but don't relax yet. The tricky part is coming up. Okay, so next in line is the baseball. How many baseball can you see there? I see 3. And if we have 3 baseballs and those baseballs equal 27, what does this tell us? It tells us that one baseball is equal to what? 3. Because we know that when we times 3 by 3, that gives us 9. And we times 9 by 3 again, that gives us what? 27. This is simple maths. So one baseball, we all agree, is equal to 3. And we have the snowman, which is equal to, the skating board man, which equals 12. So we already have 2 answers to this puzzle from each equation. So now, where the trap comes in, look closely at the line 3, the equation 3. We see 2 running figures plus 1 baseball, which equals 13. Okay? We already know the baseball equals 3. Agreed? We all agreed on this. We agreed that 3 by 3 by 3 gives us 27. So one baseball stands for 3. Beautiful. So if we have 13 minus that first baseball in equation 3, that gives us what? 10. It leaves us with 10 to figure out what the answer means. So that means each running figure what? Means 5. Take a very close look at this running figure, the skating man. If you notice, he's skating without his skateboard, unlike the first equation where he had his skateboard. So at this point, we need to work out what a running man without a skateboard is and a skating man with a skateboard, which we already found out to be 12. So if we have 10 remaining from equation 3, we automatically assume and work out for running man without skateboard equal to what? 5 in that third equation, because we have two running men without a skateboard. So each running man there without a skateboard is equal to what? 5. Beautiful, guys. So at this point, I'll just pause a little bit, so that you can have some time to double check your answers so far, because this is the exact moment where most people get it wrong. I'll just give some little time so that viewers looking at this review can look at what they've done so far. Thank you. I'll be back very soon to conclude the final part of this. Okay, we're back now. So the final equation reveal, the last equation, which is one baseball plus one running man on a skateboard and a running man without a skateboard. So now comes the final line. And this is where the puzzle turns from easy to what? Dangerous, guys. You can easily miss it here, except for the geniuses among us. Baseball plus snowboarder multiplied by what? Runner. Runner means the man without a skateboard. And remember the order of operation, what matters. Very, very important. So now, multiplication what? Always comes before what? Addition. Remember your PEMDAS explanation. So we do snowboarder times the runner first. That's this. The man running without the snowboard and timesing it with the man on the snowboard. So that gives us what? What is the answer for that? We got our snowboarder, that's our running man, as 5. And we also got our snowman on the board, our running man on the board as what? 12. Can you recall that in the earlier equations we solved? I'm sure you've penned that down. So if we have 12 for the running man on the snowboard and 5 for the running man without the snowboard, that gives us what? 60. Beautiful. I hope we're all on the same page at this point. So now, finally, we now put the addition. That is the rules of PEMDAS equations. The multiplication, division comes before the plus and minus. Okay. So now add the baseball value. We have the baseball value as what? Can you remember? 3. Yes, 3. That's what we solved. When we said 3 by 3 by 3 gives us 27. So now we have 60 that we got by multiplying the snowboarder and the and the man running without the snowboard. So that was 60. So we now add the baseball, which equals 3 to that. And we know that 60 plus 3 gives us what? 63. That is it, guys. So the final answer reveal, the correct final answer to this puzzle is what? 63. If you got 63, you passed this test and you are rated among the genius ones. If you didn't, now you know where you went wrong and you can now quickly correct your workings and be ready for the next puzzle coming up soon. So you have to comment and be honest if you got this answer. Kindly drop a comment below for me. Did you get 63 or did this puzzle trick you? I want you to be honest. I read every comment. I read every comment on my videos. So let's drop it there live. And I also have a pinned comment for everyone to see. So if you enjoy IQ tests, logic puzzles, and brain twisting challenges like this one, don't waste time. Hit what? The subscribe button. It's there. Looking at you. Just hit it. It costs you nothing. And turn what? Turn on the bell notification so that you can get notifications once we are live or once we drop answer reviews like this or once we go live with fresh puzzles. We normally go live with fresh puzzles where everybody gets to work it out and drop their answers on the live chat. Then we do a quick review before the live stream ends. But on the videos, we now go in depth and review the answers and the workings and explanations behind it. So if this is what you like, if this is kind of thing you like, please don't forget. Don't waste any further time. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification and get ready because the next puzzle is even what? Harder. So guys, the answer is not 75. Most people put up 75. And that is why, and that is the reason why the mistake is there is that they forgot that it is a multiplication sign first before the addition. So it is not 5, it's not 3 by 12, which is 60 plus 5. No, it is 5 by 12, 60, then plus 3. So that gives us 63 and not 72. So that is why it is a very tricky puzzle. Thank you for joining this live and be ready for your next live Thank you for joining this video, and be ready for the next live coming up very soon. We're preparing the questions and we'll set it up very soon. So if you have areas which you want us to copy or want us to cover more, kindly comment in this video in the comment section so that we can expand on that area. We have math puzzles, we have IQ tests, we have logic puzzles, we have brain teasers, we have grammatical error puzzles, we have tricky math puzzle, and puzzles that come in different forms. Spot the difference, any type that you can think of. So guys, let's have it in the next stream. Let's see what your areas of interest are, and we'll definitely look into that. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for listening to this answer review, and we can't wait to have you in our next live with a fresh puzzle coming very soon. Don't forget, drop your comments and be honest about it. Was it tricky for you? Did you get it at first? Let me know. I'll definitely respond to your comments. So if you did get 63 in the first time, please just say, got it first. Then if it fooled you, then like this video review, then before you say, oh, I got it all confused. Then don't forget, subscribe after you've seen the review so that you get notifications